风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, welcome back to Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我係美甲。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. This month we're teaching you about creatures, about living nature of Taiwan, and you probably see a lot of swallow flying around. 其实我们常常都会看到什么燕子吧？
对，在那个屋檐下，好可爱哦。
对，然后呢，鸟都有这种就春天会来，冬天要走的那种习性嘛，对不对？Let's teach you some things about the birds of Taiwan, including the swallow. 燕子怎么说？
燕呢
very easy. 燕呢 that's a swallow. 燕子很喜欢在屋檐下筑巢。Swallows like to build their nest under the roof.
燕呢洞好啲，
燕呢洞好啲，
屋檐下，
屋檐下，
做雕，
周丢。周丢就是
筑巢，
丢就是像一个巢，对不对？It's the bird's home. It's a nest. 丢 Okay, so there you have it. And then, like I said, during springtime they would come, and when it's winter they leave. 燕子总在春天飞来，冬季飞离开。
燕呢一旦黑，
燕呢一旦黑，
春天必來，
春天必來，
寒天必走。
寒天必走。OK， 寒天就是 winter， 就是寒天嘛，就是冬季的意思。而春天叫做
春天。
春天 That's springtime, which is coming up right now. All right, let's review some of these vocabulary we brought up, including building a nest, 筑巢，
做雕，
周丢 and then springtime, 春天，
春天，
春天，冬季呢？
寒天，
寒天 and it's all about 燕呢 right?
燕呢
We learned about the 燕子 so much today. Thank you so much for listening to the Daily Hakka.
什麼睇㗎？
俺只 say 張來了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.